But yeah, you go out now, like for example, I was out getting some at the grocery store. Here I'm picking out 1 pound of hamburger. That's all I was could afford was 1 pound of hamburger with my groceries. And here this illegal, this black Somali woman, she's there picking out 5 or 6 porterhouse steaks, lobsters, crab legs. She's got to go feed all those dozens of 6'6" Somali Africans, those real Africans that the American taxpayer that I got to pay for, all the while I'm eating 1 pound of hamburger, 80/20. I just got to pay for it all with my taxes. That's why I got to keep making these videos so I can pay taxes to pay for all those illegals to eat crab legs, lobster, and porterhouse steaks. Why eat 1 pound of 75/25, 80/20 hamburger? That's probably not even real hamburger. Oh, it's finished. It's over. It's over. It's finished.